Legends of Learning presents the Monster Cooking Game. This is a math game that makes learning about real-world fraction problems fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, step into one-of-a-kind bakery where you whip up delicious cakes for a unique clientele. Master fractions by solving engaging word problems that involve adding and subtracting to fulfill each monster's specific cake request. From choosing ingredients to slicing cakes into precise fractional portions, this game challenges players to apply their math skills and logic in a playful environment. Get ready to measure, mix, and master math like never before. Adjust denominators and solve for the unknowns. Use the mouse to click and select different fractions to solve math puzzles to complete each level. Serve the correct amount of cake to each customer. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun!